Spanish town, and this is supposed to be what they call the North South highway, or a leg of it at least. And I noticed something strange while I was passing today, February the 6th, 2015. I noticed there were men building these, I'm not sure what to call them, but they're concreting. Seems to me like this one that is not cast, seemed to me like some kind of runoff or channel for water. And I noticed several of them going down. But what is strange, I wonder if they're going to put a gully right there to channel the water away from our road and away from the house of residents that live in this area. You can hear machinery digging away. You can see a vehicle driving on the road. And we wonder if they are planning to do something else with this runoff, because it just cannot be left like this. There are residents that live, and there are hundreds of people that walk and drive this road. I am concerned. I'm concerned about the safety of people living in this area. And I would really like to know if China Harbour is going to leave the place like this. We cannot see what excavation or the excavator, which you hear in the background, is doing. Perhaps it's on the other side. But I'll be sure to come back and take. Oh, if you look close in the distance, you will see that little yellow thing going up and down. I can see it with bare eyes. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's moving there right now. What they're planning to do. I hope China Harbour has considered the citizens of Cross Bend. Thank you.